Nice hot sweaty day in the garage today. Hey, Joe here. Today I'm gonna get some hood pins installed in this car. I'm getting ready to put it on a trailer and bring it for some fab work, and the hood needs to be latched in order for it to go down the interstate on a trailer. So that's where we're at. We're gonna get it done. Let's go. I'm gonna start by marking and drilling some holes right here. There's that one. Gonna move on to the other side. And there's that one. I'm gonna be using this quick latch hood pin kit. Now these are not the tiny ones you use to hold your bumper on. There's the part number right there. These are actual hood pins. They actually make some that are more heavy duty than these, but I'm going to use these and a couple of small ones to hold this fiberglass hood I have down. So let me get these things installed. I've got the posts installed, and what I've done is set them at a height where the hood barely rests on them when closed. I'm going to put a little dollop of some disc brake quiet on top of that pin because of its high visibility, and if I put it there on top of the pin, when I close the hood I should get a mark up here. Let's see how that goes. Oh, well, that's no good. I did get my mark on this side though. I'll reset this one and make sure that bolt's tighter than it was and try again. Alright, that worked better that time. I got this hood prop set in here, but you can see my mark right there. Nice and clear. This hole saw is the correct size for those hood pins, but I'm just gonna pop the drill bit through where those marks are just to have a small hole there. That way I have an opportunity to make an adjustment if I need to. So let's start there. Here goes nothing. All right. Pilot hole started. Let's see how they line up. Oh yeah, you can see the head of that one right there. And same here. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill the big hole, install those latches, and make sure that they latch up. This isn't scary at all. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, there's the second hole. Get those latches installed and see if they line up good. These quick latches have a pretty neat design with this little ring that just screws on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that right in there. Alright, they're just in there hand tight. I probably need to trim those little fiberglass hairs off of there too, but just to see how this works, close this up. There's a latch. Now that one latches better. So I assume there's some adjustment that I need to make there, but this body line feels good here. And this one feels maybe a tiny bit high, so probably some adjustment there that needs to be made. Let's see if I can get these things to pop loose. So, pressing that button doesn't do a lot. Alright, I had to pick up on that slightly to get that to unlatch. So we'll get some adjustment done here. There we go. And we'll go from there. Alright, so these just need a little bit of cleanup. Tighten these down better. They're just tight by hand right now. But this will hold the hood down for me so the car can go on the trailer and go to fab. So that's it for today. We'll see you next time.